4 times a week.
Probably twice.
5-7 times a week.
Almost every day.
Every day.
Lasa ng pagkain.
Amount, not much. Kung basta, as long as we could afford.
Yung service ng mga tao.
Convenience first.
Yung place, yung comfortable, convenience siya.
Taste, atmosphere.
Price, variety of choices, hospitality, and love.
4, 5.
3.
8.
7.5.
8, 9.
Well, a little less of philosophy.
Yung
Energy.
energy talaga.
Weight reduction would be nice.
Cholesterol and sugar level.
Fiber. Yun. So, I make it a point that laging may veggies kahit on the side lang.
Naisip ko rin yung salad eh. Masarap. Salad.
O kaya lasang hilaw.
Balanced yung meal mo.
Fruits and veggies.
Fruits and vegetables. Malas naman yung para sa akin. Depende siguro sa kung paano siya prepare.
Organic, natural, cooked properly.
I would be considered one of the cliches na kapag healthy, hindi ka masyadong mag-enjoy. Kapag hindi healthy, yun yung craving mo madalas. That's one for me. Pero kasi you get to find healthy food na you'd also enjoy.
Yun nga, sa taste din siguro. Yung price din, sometimes. Kasi mas mahal yung mga restaurant na mas healthy yung binibente.
Schedule sa office.
I go for alternates kasi. So like, let's say, Jollibee, I'd go for tuna pie.
Yes.
Pero yeah, we would probably try it, especially kung masarap siya.
Yes, definitely.
Yes. Of course, oo. And fair.
Oo, basta yun yung FESIB study.